There are a variety of different posts in Edmodo. When you go to your home page, it usually defaults to latest posts. But if you want to see the latest post, you can click on the latest post link and it'll show you the latest post of whatever group you're in. Like I just posted, I created a training group. It shows. I'm part of a computer technology group. Someone posted this an hour ago. And it'll say the group. So if you're in multiple groups, for you looking at people's posts, you can see a lot of these are computer, but Andrea Dickerson posted this to the professional development group. So different ways how you can view your own post. When you're creating posts, you have different posts. Note, alert, assignment, quiz, and poll. We'll talk about assignment, quiz, and poll a little later in session 3. If you want it to be a note, which means it's just a message coming up, you click and you just type. So I'm typing, welcome to Edmodo. You then can choose who you want to send the post to by clicking in the Send To file. You can type the name of a group, a student, or a teacher. So you can also pick your name, or you can type in all groups if you want to post to all groups. You can type in connections if you want to type to everyone you're connected to. So if I just want to post this to my Edmodo training group, as you type in the letters, it brings up the groups and the people you're connected with. So I'm just going to post this to Edmodo training group. Now you can post it to more if I wanted to post it to another group. And if you make a mistake, you can just click the X. And then you hit send. So notice it posted on my wall because I'm part of the Edmodo training group, so I see the post. Alerts work the same way. And what's the difference between a note and alert is you have a 140 character maximum with an alert. So alert is like a tweet. Also, you cannot attach things to alerts. When you type in a note, you have the choice of attaching a file or a link or something from your library, which we'll get into later. So I could type in a note, here's info you need, to whomever I want to, click on file, and find what I want to attach, and it can be anything. You can also attach a link to a post. So if I have the link, I can just copy and paste it. So you can attach if you want to link a website. And if it recognizes it, it'll even search for it, and then you click attach. We'll get into the library later. So you can attach things to notes, any kind of document or any kind of link, but you can't attach them to alerts. That's another thing. And I could send it to my Edmodo training if I want to, and it'll appear. There it is. It even shows a thumbnail, so a picture of my nephew, and it shows a thumbnail of the website. So that's the difference between notes and replying to posts is simple and easy. You click on reply, just say hello, let me scroll down. You click on reply and type in what you want. Thanks for the information. And you can spell check, fortunately for me, and you hit reply. If you decide you don't like that post, you can go and you can delete or you edit your reply. So that's basically sending and replying to posts. Pretty easy. You can also filter what posts actually appear. Basically, you have direct students and assignments when those things are posted. You can click on more. If you want latest things to appear, like you want to see alerts, you can see all your alerts. You can see just everything by me. All the posts that are just by me. There's a post by me. You can just look at the connections, posts that are connections. So those are posts from people I'm connected to that I'm not necessarily in a group in. I don't think I have any polls, so polls that aren't going to show you. There is one about blended learning. So over here under post is how you can filter and see different posts. Searching, if you want to search for a post, up here you can type in a keyword, a teacher name, because like Facebook, the posts just keep threading down, and maybe there's a post you forgot and there was something really good information about something. Put in the keyword, click search post, it'll search the post for you. There are also ways for managing your posts. For example, there's things you can do to posts that you have posted. If you click on the post, you'll get this little arrow in the right corner. If you click on it, you can delete the post. You can edit the post. You can add the post to your library. And what would adding posts to your library do? If you want to save an important discussion, examples, or ideas from your group, you can do this by adding it to your library. And your library is only you, okay? Linking to this post. Each post has a unique URL or website, which enables you to share the post within Edmodo or externally. If I click on link to this post, here's the link. So if you found something really important and you wanted to share it with someone outside of Edmodo, you could give them this URL and they'd be able to see just this specific post. You can also make a post public. So everything's really basically under this little caret under the menu. By default, every post is private and visible only to group members, but you can mark it as public, and this will make the post visible from the group's public page. We can talk more about public pages later. Now, with other people's posts that are not your own, obviously you can't edit or delete, but you can link to this post if you want to send it to someone else, or you can add the post to your library. So someone else posts an important document or a piece of information, you could add it to your library. So once again, your posts, you have these choices. Other people's posts, these choices. And the links on the slide in the presentation give you some more information if you want to read more, again, about managing your posts. But pretty much, that's about it.